everyone, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marissa here, and if you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am so excited for today's video because I am finally sharing with you all my new college apartment room tour. This has been long awaited. I did a college apartment shopping vlog like back in December. I moved in like the second or so week of January, and now it is February, almost Valentine's Day, and I'm finally doing a room tour. It did take me a bit to get settled because it was a different transition going from living in the dorms and then being at home to being completely on my own in my own apartment, cooking, cleaning, doing all of the lovely adulting things. So it took me a little bit to adjust, but I am good. I am in a nice steady routine now, which is super exciting. So I thought I would just hop on and share my room with you all. She is freshly cleaned. I do have to say that I love having this much space here at college. So for those of you who don't know, or for those of you who might be new here, like I said, my name is Marissa. I'm a sophomore at Kent State University, and I am a communication studies major. So like I said before, if you are new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you also follow my Instagram and my TikTok for more content just like this. And I think that's pretty much it. So let's go ahead and get into the room tour. I'm really excited. Alright, so first I thought I would just like give you guys a little bit of a general look around the room before I show you guys each little area individually. Alright, so here is my door as soon as you walk into my room. As soon as you walk in, they did actually give us this coat rack, purse hanging thing with hooks, I don't really know, with the room, which I thought was super nice. So on it I just have, of course, my heavy winter coat because we are going into the negatives here in Ohio this upcoming week. Then I have my umbrella, and I have this super cute little tote bag. I mostly use it for my gym stuff, but yeah, it just says Be Kind on it, and it's from It's Lily Ann on Instagram. And then I have my purse here, and of course my keys. Then down here, right below that coat rack, I have a little bin for all of my records in it. The bin itself, we actually had at home, and I wanted a white one to like match the vibe of my room, but we didn't have a white one, so we only had these brown ones, and I was like, why don't I just paint it? So I painted it, and then I just keep all my records in there next to my record stand. And then over here, I just have, of course, my snow boots for the winter. All right, so first here is this wall area. So that top sign up there, I actually painted myself during quarantine. I did have it in my dorm room as well. Then I also have my favorite weekly dry erase board that I got from Target and some cute little inspirational quotes up there. Then I have my Babe Cave sign from Dormify that I just have holding all of my face masks. And then down here I have more shoes. I have my Air Forces, my gym shoes, and then some fluffy slides for just walking around the apartment because it gets super cold over here. So next over here I have one of my favorite areas in my room, and this is like my record stand area. So for these photos up here, these are actually part of one of the Tezza collage kits that VS Pink actually sent me. So I just took a few of them that kind of match the vibe of my room and put them up there. Then I have my record player. I love playing records. I think it is so much fun. So of course I have to have it on display. And then over here I have these two little plants I got from Target, that other sign that I've had in my dorm since freshman year, and then a picture of me and Ashley. And then I just have one of my storage containers. A lot of it is just like food stuff in here, nothing really like fancy or honestly very exciting. It's just like food, some other like stuff like command strips, just kind of random things like that. So next we have my TV stand and dresser area. So of course I have my TV and then my dresser with a bunch of clothes down in there. Then over here I have some perfume, another little candle. And then I also have my jewelry organizer that I got from Dormify, which I am obsessed with some other jewelry and stuff like that on top. And then over here on this little wall, I have this super cool record. I actually ordered this piece of artwork from a girl that I found on TikTok, I believe, and she makes these record collages. I thought it was super cute. So I have one of those hanging up, and then I just have a command hook with one of my longer necklaces. I don't have a ton of long necklaces here, so there's not a lot on there. But yeah, so that's like this little corner, and that's pretty much it for this whole side of my room. All right, so next I just have my desk area over here, and I love how this like wall turned out. So I kind of wanted to make it a square shape with all the different things that I have, but the whiteboard in the upper left hand corner I got from Dormify, and it's just like a marble one. Then the She Believed She Could So She Did picture I also got from Dormify. And then the upper right hand corner banner I actually got from a small business called Skylar Grace Co. on Instagram, and I thought it was super cute, so I'm very excited about that. I think it's a really good addition just to like my desk. And then below that I of course have my vision board. that I worked so hard on. So I think it's just a really cute area. Like, I love the simplicity of it, and I think it's really clean looking. So then here, of course, is my desk. Over here, I currently have water and Chipotle chips. Then I just have all my makeup over here. So I have it all in these little store containers, my brush set, and then like my palettes. Then I have another container with scrunchies, hair ties, stuff like that over there. And then I also have this super cute mirror. Hey, I got it from At Home, and it's a really nice big mirror, which I really wanted to have for like photos, like sitting down, standing up, like just like good outfit photos basically. So I love this mirror. I think it's a super good addition to like this little corner. I normally have it more angled, but I've been taking like photos in it, so I have it moved out. Then of course, just like my chair underneath my desk, I do have bins just kind of like school supplies, and then my printer is over there. I don't want to say it's a mess because it's not a mess, but it's just kind of like extra stuff that I don't have room for up top here. Computer, my iPads, then I have my school supplies, books, stuff like that. So this is pretty much my entire desk, and I also just love like how simple it all looks. It's so random, but I love it. All right, so next I'm going to show you guys my bed area. So down here in front of my bed, I have my ottoman that I've had since my dorm. Then I have this bin from Target that just has like extra blankets in it because my room is literally frigid. Like, I'm on all outside walls and it's just like so cold in here. So I have a bunch of extra blankets. And then I also have my backpack down there. Then here's my bed. And then I'll also show you guys my bedside table real quick. So this is my little bedside table. Ignore this. Like, I don't know how this happens. I literally just have my tripod up here and it like got dirty. So don't know how that happens. But this is my little bedside table. The lamp and lampshade we got from Walmart. And then just some other little cute decorations. Some candles just to kind of have. Then I have this sign that I've had from my mom there. And then here's my closet. So I have a nice and pretty big walk-in closet. It is really, really nice. If you know me, you know I have a ton of clothes. It's no shocker here. So this is just really nice to have. And it's so nice that all my clothes don't have to be cluttered and just shoved underneath my bed. So it's very nice. This is probably one of my favorite parts of my room, and it's just amazing. Then underneath my bed, I do have some more storage. There is a lot of space under here. So I have some stuff from Pink underneath there. And then I also have two big under the bed storage bins filled with clothes like sweatshirts, sweatpants, stuff like that. So I do have that stuff down there. And yeah, it's there, but I'm not going to show it because it's actually in my dorm video if you want to see how I have it organized, but it's kind of messy, so we're just going to ignore it. But here is my bed. Pretty much all of my bedding here is from Dormify, except the Squishmallow, of course, is for Valentine's Day, and then the white body pillow is actually from Target, but pretty much everything else is from Dormify. This is my same bedding that I've had, but I love it. I love the blue and the gray. Then my headboard is also from Dormify. The Good Vibes sign is too, and then the lights are from Target. So that's my bed area. I do have this blank wall, and I do have some posters literally right down there that I can put up there, but I'm just kind of like vibing with the simplicity of the room right now because like I have all this over there, so it's just kind of nice to have it empty, I guess, right now. So I kind of like how it's looking, but I may eventually add more to it later. I'm just not really sure. All right, so here we have my bathroom. So welcome. Another part I love about this apartment is that I do have my very own bathroom. I don't have to worry about sharing with anyone. I have a lot of space, a lot of storage. It's very, very nice. So here is my sink area. I got a cute little plant for $5 at Target, but you know, just regular bathroom stuff. But I do have this super cool like hot tool mat that I love. Then I have my favorite soap over there. This has like cotton rounds and Q-tips in it. Then of course the toilet, the garbage can. Then I have this over the toilet organizer. The plastic bins are from Target and the two cloth ones are from Dormify. But I have that top bin full of skincare. The upper right one has like contact stuff in it, extra contacts, some other random bathroom things. The bottom left one is all hair stuff, and then the right one is all medicine and like my daily things that I use. Then I have that bath mat from Kohl's. Then I have this one from Home Goods. And then my shower curtain is also from Home Goods, but I love it because it literally basically matches my comforter. So that's super fun. And then the shower, you know, fun, basic. But we also have a towel rack in here, and I just have this for my hot tools. I got that at the Container Store. Then I have my towels up there, and then back here I have 2 hooks, one for my bath-like robes, and then this other one for my towel scrunchies. So that's pretty much the whole bathroom. It's super nice. I love it, and it's really nice, honestly, just having my own bathroom space. And it's a huge upgrade, especially from communal bathrooms. But me and Ashley shared a bathroom last semester, and it wasn't bad by any means, but it's just nice having my own space that I can use whenever I want to. All right, everyone, so that's pretty much it for my brand new room tour. I hope that you guys love my new space just as much as I do. It's amazing. I love it. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed just like seeing this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Leave some nice comments down below, and make sure you subscribe for more videos just like these ones. If there's anything now that the semester is in full swing, any kind of videos that you guys want to see, let me know. I'll be happy to do them. Bye everyone. Thank you all so much for watching.
Ooh, I've been itching, something's missing, feel left drifting, and I've been wondering where I could visit. Booked a ticket 'cause I miss it. Got me wishing that we